How to play Garry's Mod on PS5. I'm going to tell you how to play Garry's Mod on PS5. Unfortunately, Garry's Mod isn't natively available on PS5 because it's PC exclusive game built on the Source engine, which doesn't support console platforms. But there's still a workaround if you're determined, using remote play or cloud gaming. First, you'll need a powerful gaming PC with Garry's Mod installed via Steam. Then, set up a device like Parsec or Steam Link that allows you to stream your PC games to another device. You can use your PS5's web browser or hook up a laptop to your TV via HDMI and use your PS5 controller connected via Bluetooth to control the game. It's not a plug and play solution and may require extra setup for smooth performance, but it's the closest you'll get to playing Garry's Mod on a PS5. If you really want the Gmod sandbox experience on console, consider alternatives like Dreams on PS5 or sandbox games like Roblox, which offers user-generated content and creative tools, although they won't match Gmod's full flexibility.